At the invitation of Prime Minister of Malaysia, His Excellency Anwar Ibrahim, His Excellency Sri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of Republic of India, undertook an official visit to Malaysia from 7 to 8 February 2026. The visit reflected the deep-rooted friendship and enduring people-to-people ties based on civilizational connection between the two countries. It reaffirmed the shared commitment of the two leaders to further consolidate and expand the India-Malaysia comprehensive strategic partnership. Since the establishment of diplomatic relations in 1957, Malaysia and India have built a partnership based on mutual respect and shared values, which was elevated to a comprehensive strategic partnership in August 2024. During the visit, Prime Minister Modi was accorded an official welcoming ceremony at the Perdana Putra complex, Putrajaya. The leaders then held official bilateral meeting on 8 February 2026, reaffirming the CSP. The Prime Minister held extensive and productive discussions in a warm and cordial atmosphere, covering the full spectrum of bilateral relations, including political agreement, defense and security cooperation, maritime cooperation, trade and investment, digital economy, science and technology, energy, agriculture, health, education, culture, tourism, youth exchanges, and people-to-people contacts. In addition to regional and global developments of mutual interest, Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim also hosted an official luncheon in honor of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They also witnessed the exchange of a number of bilateral documents aimed at further strengthening institutional cooperation. The two leaders reaffirmed that the deep historical links, millennia old contacts, shared cultural heritage, and democratic values between the two countries and the presence of a vibrant Indian community in Malaysia constitute a unique, strong, and enduring foundation for the bilateral relationship and continue to enrich its multidimensional character. The leaders agreed that regular dialogue and exchanges, including high-level visits, have strengthened mutual understanding and coordination across various areas of bilateral cooperation. They reaffirmed the importance of sustaining engagement on bilateral and multilateral issues of mutual interest. In this regard, the Foreign Office consultation and Joint Commission meeting remain key platforms underpinning Malaysia-India relations, guided by their shared commitment to parliamentary democracy. The leaders encourage enhanced parliamentary cooperation and exchanges, noting that such engagements have strengthened institutional linkages and deepened mutual understanding. They expressed satisfaction at the recently concluded visit of the Speaker of House of Representatives of Malaysia, Tan Sri Dato Dr. Johari Abdul, to India for the 28th Conference of Speaker and Presiding Officers of the Commonwealth from 13 to 16 January 2026, in addition to the visit of Indian parliamentary delegation to Malaysia in September 2025 for the 46th General Assembly of ASEAN Inter-Parliamentary Assembly and the visit of the all-party parliamentary delegation to Malaysia from 31st May to 3 June 2025. Recognizing India as a vital global economic partner, Malaysia appreciates the growth in bilateral trade. Both leaders underscored that this partnership is one of mutual value and strategic synergy. In the spirit of balanced cooperation, both leaders agreed to enhance trade facilitation and explore expanded potential in diverse areas, including semiconductor, digital economy, and industrial collaboration. The leaders emphasized the importance of the Malaysia-India Comprehensive Economic Cooperation Agreement and the ASEAN-India Trade in Goods Agreement. Both leaders welcomed the ongoing review of AITIGA to make it mutually beneficial, trade facilitative, and relevant to current global trading practices. Both leaders also appreciated MICECA for its political for deepening economic relations and encourage its optimum utilization. The two prime ministers welcomed the growing bilateral investment and encouraged greater cooperation and investment across priority sectors including infrastructure, energy including renewable energy, advanced manufacturing, semiconductors, healthcare, digital economy, fintech, startups, artificial intelligence, hospitality, green technologies, and other high-value sectors. Prime Minister Modi highlighted India's role as a key investment destination for Malaysian companies, while Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim welcomed the significant presence of Indian manufacturing and technology firms, which have contributed to high-skilled job creation in Malaysia. The two Prime Ministers welcomed the convening of the 10th meeting of the India-Malaysia CEO Forum in Kuala Lumpur on 7 February 2026. The leaders also noted the outcome document of the CEO Forum and expressed hope that the forum would continue to complement efforts to further strengthen trade and investment relations between the two countries. The leaders acknowledged that connectivity is a key determinant and enabler for enhanced economic cooperation. In this regard, they appreciated the growing air and maritime connectivity between the countries and agreed to strengthen it further. Both leaders agreed to deepen cooperation in food security and nutrition, particularly in the trade of staple commodities, while respecting each country's domestic policies. They emphasized the importance of ensuring stable, resilient, and sustainable supply chains to safeguard the food security and nutritional needs of their population. The leaders encouraged regular dialogue, information exchange, and collaborative measures to anticipate and mitigate potential disruptions in agricultural production and trade. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim also reaffirmed Malaysia's commitment to remain a reliable supplier of sustainable palm oil. In this regard, the leaders encouraged deeper collaboration in oil palm cultivation. Furthermore, both sides also agreed for collaboration in value chain development of palm oil, including downstream, higher value added palm based products. Both sides also agreed for structural engagement on timely resolution of market access matters. The leaders applauded the formalization of the Malaysia-India Digital Council, recognizing its potential as a key platform to advance digital cooperation, foster innovation, and explore collaborative projects in areas such as fintech, e-governance, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, digital public infrastructure, and emerging technologies. Both leaders emphasized that MIDC will serve as a strategic mechanism to strengthen bilateral digital engagement and support the digital transformation agenda of both countries. The leaders welcomed the collaboration between NPCI International Limited and PayNet Malaysia to establish bilateral payment linkages. They noted that this integration will significantly enhance the ease of doing business and provide seamless, low-cost remittance and payment solutions for tourists, students, and small businesses, thereby enabling closer economic and people-to-people connectivity between Malaysia and India.